Welcome to this short webinar where we'll talk about what's coming in the next few months and guide you through the new features and benefits of Smoothwall Filter. We've been working hard to increase the range of flexible deployment methods available for our market-leading content-aware filtering solution. We now have 3 deployment methods available. On-premise, our traditional model with filtering servers sat on your network. Cloud, with no equipment required on site. And hybrid, a mixture of on-premise and cloud for maximum flexibility. Cloud is perfect for customers who have all their devices managed and can force installation of our unified client. Hybrid is great for more complex environments with some devices managed who can use cloud and unmanaged such as BYOD using the on-premise. All 3 options are available right now for Windows, Mac and Chromebooks. As part of our cloud filter, we are introducing a cloud-based management portal where all filtering configuration and reporting takes place, even for on-premise and hybrid deployments. This offers significant benefits: a fresh, modern portal interface, enhanced admin tools for multi-tenant environments such as multi-academy trusts, local authorities and councils, frequent update releases without the need for installation management, and quick deployment. So let's take a look at the new cloud portal. This is the login screen where you can log in using single sign-on from Google and Office 365, or alternatively a static username and password registered with our system. You can then see all the products that you're licensed to access. We're going to take a look first at the filter product. The first thing that you see when logging in is the dashboard, which has an overview of recent activity across your filter. If you have a multi-tenant setup, you can filter this by different tenancies, as well as filtering the time range that is shown on the dashboard. The My Policies screen shows all the filtering policies in place on your system. Policies can now be given a name to help describe them, and you can expand them to see the who, what, where and when contents of the policy. It's also now possible to search the policy table, filtering by name, group, category, location, time range, or action of the policy. When creating a new filter policy, you can set the descriptive name as well as adding a comment. It's very easy to browse through all the available categories of content that you want to include in this policy. From here, you can also search the available categories to determine which category a particular website belongs to, and then add that to your policy. In custom categories, you can create your own lists of domains and URLs, and you can add new entries along with a general comment for the category, as well as individual comments on each entry, something which is very useful for recording why a particular URL was added to this category. And finally, we can see how we can add additional users who can access the filtering and reporting management portal. We can add their details and they will automatically be sent an invitation email. We can also set different roles and allow them access only to specific tenants. Now let's take a look at what's new with our cloud-based reporting portal. You can access reporting through the same portal as filtering if your user has permission. A detailed dashboard is shown once you access reporting, which highlights important activity. Here we can see the top websites visited, most active users, an overview of allowed and blocked request volume over time, top search terms, and finally network latency. We can also change the report period to either the last 2 weeks or the last 24 hours. In this first release, we've made the most important report available, the Investigative Audit Report, which shows you the deep detail of all web activity matching the criteria chosen. This allows you to investigate safeguarding concerns relating to web access quickly and provide information that may be required by teaching staff and third parties. In future releases of cloud reporting, we will be adding further reports to allow you to analyze data in a variety of different ways and produce other formats, styles, and types of report. We can choose the tenant if using multi-tenancy, select the device name, a domain to match in the results, a category of content, or the username. We then set the time range that the report will cover, and give the report a name. This report will be generated in the cloud and sent by email as soon as it is ready, often much quicker than existing on-premise reporting. Shortly afterwards, we see the email arrive. If we click the link, the report is then downloaded in CSV format. We can then load it into Excel or similar tools and inspect the contents of the report however we wish. Thank you for taking the time to watch this short webinar. As always, if you have any questions, please email us and a member of our team will be in touch. If you'd like to learn more about Smoothwall Filter, you can also request a one-on-one demonstration by following the link below. Thank you.